And now, legislative matters. The House of Representatives has resolved to investigate the adoption of concrete technology for road construction in Nigeria. In a motion sponsored by Honorable Khadija Bukar Ibrahim, she said several studies have revealed that the use of rigid cement concrete pavements in road construction has significant technical limitations and constraints. You recall that the Minister of Works, David Umahi, has been advocating for the use of concrete technology in road construction. The House, however, has called for the suspension of the use of concrete in road construction nationwide and has ordered an investigation into the adoption of concrete technology for road constructions in Nigeria.
That the several studies have revealed that the use of rigid cement concrete pavements in road construction has significant technical limitations and constraints. Worried that the Honorable Ministry of Works' new policy on cement concrete pavement adoption without in-depth studies of the comparative advantages / disadvantages with asphalt may contradict technical specification, potentially leading to contract breaches and potential arbitration and litigation during a challenging economic time.
And in another development, the House of Representatives has urged the Federal Ministry of Interior to rehabilitate and decongest Nigeria's correctional centers in a motion sponsored by Honorable Chinedu Oga. Noted that Nigeria's correctional service is currently housing over 70,000 inmates, thus overcrowding the centers, which can accommodate only 50,000 inmates, thereby overstretching the dilapidated facilities.
Urge the Federal Ministry of Interior to rehabilitate and decongest Nigeria correction centers, address both short-term and long-term challenges, and make provision for the project in 2024 budget estimate. Also, urge the National Human Rights Commission and the Legal Aid Council to conduct independent assignment of correction centers across the country to ensure compliance with the global standard and human rights principle. Mandate the Committee on Interior, Human Rights and Justice to ensure compliance.
The House urged the National Human Rights Commission and the Legal Aid Council to conduct independent assessments of correctional centers across the country in order to ensure compliance with global standards and human rights principles.